All right, seems that we are live. Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another Saturday live, and things are looking good. Let's see if YouTube sends some notification and we can chit chat. There is no agenda, there is no topic. It's been a while and I was not feeling like recording videos. I tried to record videos today, but I was not feeling like recording the video, so I thought let's go ahead and have a chit chat with you guys. I was even planning to go and resume my JavaScript marathon as well, but was not feeling it today. We'll start it probably tomorrow or from Monday. So yeah, days, something like that. So let's go ahead and save some settings up here. Okay, hey, people have showed up. I can resize that. That's nice. I can make it big. Hey Anirban, how are you? Hey Vahaj, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Oh, I can use this. Oh, that's nice. Nice. Hey, how are you? How are you doing? How are you? Hello. Big data bootcamp class cancelled for today. Yep, there was some issue. Yeah, there was something, so it will resume in the next weekend or something. So don't you worry on that part. It will be resumed soon. Let me go into the live control room so that we can see only subscribers can send messages, and we can actually chit chat to the people who are actually subscribed and are tiny bit serious about talking and not just randomly spamming the stuff. Let me enable that. Okay, so let's go ahead and how can I change the settings? Yep, here it is. Just give me a second. Yes, Manik, thank you so much. It's an irreplaceable loss. That's why I was feeling a bit low. Only subscribers can chat who have subscribed any duration. Yeah, that would be good. Slow mode would be good. And let me save this. Okay. So looks good. Very nice quality. Thank you so much. Your thought on Bun. Do you think it will replace Node? No, I don't think anytime soon it's going to do it. Maybe in the future, maybe in upcoming few years it might do it, but maybe not. Node has roots everywhere, so that is a little bit difficult. You get your advantage, early coming advantage. Java DSA course, any upcoming batch? DSA, yes, there is an upcoming batch, but it's not on Java, because I personally think that a DSA is a language independent thing, and loops are loops, functions are functions. If you're going to write loop inside a loop inside a loop, it's bad. Everybody knows it. So I think you can learn DSA with Python and with JavaScript and can convert that in any language. You can go ahead and use that. Is recession real? What's your thought? Yes, it is very much real. Recession is not just an evil thing. You need to learn a little bit about the economics. Recession is 2 years continuously you're reporting down negative GDP growth. That's it. That's a recession. So yeah, that's like it. JS should be removed from Earth. That's kind of a strong thought, but I think you wouldn't be able to push your messages to me without JavaScript. Even this message wouldn't have reached without that. And belated happy birthday, Hitesh. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you. Can I join full stack developer course now? Yes, you can. You can actually join, but you need to put in extra effort. Will there be any new batch for full stack web developer bootcamp this year? Not sure. Probably not. Depends how much time I get and how much team I'm able to expand, because I'm actively looking forward to hire people who are actively good instructor in the JavaScript domain. I'm actively looking forward that. So far, not able to find any good talent who is good in communication. So yeah, I'm still, if you are any one of them, are a good instructor who is the communication skill is good, we can provide a handsome package, no worries on that part. But we need people who are good in delivering this stuff. They can present them so nicely and with so much of the heart that it really shines out. Saturday lives are back. You can say that. You can say that unofficially. More power to the affected family. God bless them and give stability to them. Yes, we can never replace the loss, but yeah. In which room you are? Looking very dark. It's my recording room. I usually turn off the backlights and stuff while I'm recording. It's not a well decorated room, so I thought black would be good. It's good, decent. I'm not saying it's bad. It's good. It's good. Okay, so yeah, a lot of people have. Okay, Pratik says, what's your thought for Akshay Seni as instructor? I don't think he'll be ready to become an instructor. We already talked a little bit about that, and probably he has a vision of his own venture, which is a good thing, of course, nothing bad in that. So I think he's moreover looking into that, and I'm looking more onto a collaborative environment. We all can teach where, maybe Talusko, me, my Sergi, we even reached out Akshay for that, but he's having vision to launch his own startup and stuff, which is, of course, a good thing. He should try that out. Angad says, can I visit Ainuron office? Yes, but you need to drop an email and confirmation first, because, if people showed up like that, maybe I'm not in office, maybe nobody's in office. There's a lot of stuff. Okay, so Saurav says, love your work. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So please, JS Marathon. Yes, I was looking forward to start it today, but I even prepared my notes that I wanted to prepare. Not feeling like going live on JavaScript Marathon. We'll probably start from Monday. Yeah. Okay, so if anybody is looking forward to reach out for a JavaScript instructor or something, yeah, feel free to ping me. But again, don't ping me that, hey, I'm interested. Ping me with something that is showing your delivery, your live classes or YouTube or something. That would be good. Redux in small summary. I can say, forget Redux, go for Zustand. Once people realize Zustand is so good, then they would never go back to Redux. It's good, Redux is good, I'm not saying that, but I think you will love much more this Zustand thing. It's a big object which is available to you. If you'll ask me, Redux, it's a big gigantic object. People call it as store, and it's available to you for every component. You don't have to dig up into the components. It's actively changed in all the places at the time. You get consistency with the Redux. That's all it is. OnePlus or iPhone, kind of the same thing. One is in the Android league, one is in the iOS or iOS league. They both have same phone. Okay, so Flutter course coming up. Do you have some insight? No, I've never released the insight of what's coming up next. That's being my thing. I never do that. Redux toolkit versus Zustand. Zustand. Sorry, Zustand. Zustand does kind of a better job in that. Sir, are you Bengali? Let's forget about Bengali, Indian, American. Let's forget that. I'm just an ordinary teacher who is trying to teach on YouTube. I think that's it. Sir, can you offer your JavaScript Bootcamp lectures at 25 to 40% of your cost at in LCO? No, it's not gonna happen. Sorry, these are live classes, different skills, different people are engaged, a lot of things are there. I can share, if you wish, I can share the work of people that they are doing. What's my age? My age is now 19 and a half. Reaching to 20, just hit 20, so I'm probably 20 now. Okay. Manish says, I love to hate you for pushing so much to your students in FSJS batch. I was stuck in tutorial hell for past 1 year and I feel I'm like a developer. That's probably what I do. You haven't seen me teaching in person yet. Those people who have studied from me in person, these are live bootcamp, they're also delivering great results. But people who have studied with me in person, they are on to the next level programmers. Like really a lot of startups, I don't want to name them, but a lot of startup founders I have personally taught them. They have been into my boot camps and they're doing fantastic. They are doing fantastic. And yeah, Why only JS? No, I'm not a only JS guy. I enjoy writing code in Ruby as well. I enjoy my writing code in Swift also, and a couple of other languages. Even Python also I do write randomly. Okay, and Naman says, hey Tesh, I have 2 years of experience in front end with nice pay. Ah, nice. I want to do masters in computer network. Will it add value in my career if I pursue master's degree? Not really, because if you want to do masters in computer network, that will open more doors, but it's not going to help you into a front end journey much. There are different things. These are different things. Ah, interesting question. Namaste coders. Akshay made it famous. I am buying new mechanical keyboard for JavaScript Bootcamp. Yep. Good. If the keyboard is making you more to write more code, more keyboard, why not to buy it? Why not? Harshal says, now we are going to do next startup. I would be really happy. If you launch your startup with the JavaScript Bootcamp. Like nothing would be much more happier than that. If you're able to do your own startup, your own agency, or even your freelancer work, like that is the best thing. Surely you can get a job, nothing of a big deal, but my goal is to prepare you in such a way that you become much more than a job. You become an asset. You become an asset for everyone. Interesting. Why not Java? I feel okay-ish about Java. Not a big fan of that language. It's a good language, but I think instead of spending my time in Java, I would be rather writing code in Golang or Rust. It's a very verbose language, and I don't like that much of verboseness. Yeah, it's good. I know there are big fans of Java. Honestly, I wouldn't spend my time much more in like Java or stuff. It's a good language. Not arguing on that point. It's good, but not a big fan. Again, we have all personal choices. Some people like sweet dishes, some people like spicy dishes. For me, I like JavaScript dishes, so that's what I do. Zustand is more fast and scalable than Redux. Redux has a huge community and packages. Confused what to use in next project. We use Zustand end-to-end in FindCoder, no problem at all. The project is scaling good. You're handling multiple simultaneous users. The traffic is pretty good at FindCoder. And we are enjoying it. So Zustand, I would say, don't hesitate. Just deploy it in the production itself on the day one. It's ready. There is no worry about it. We have personally used it. You are using it in FindCoder. You can find it there. Hi Tesh, my communication skills are weak. Can I survive in IT industry? Yes, you can survive, but you'll be barely surviving only. You will not be thriving. You will survive, but you will not thrive. Communication is the most important thing, and you should be. Sir, I'm enjoying your bootcamp, joined late. Do you guys want me to show the project that people have designed in just 3 weeks? Should I share it? If you wish only, then I would say. Would you like to see the projects that people have made and have submitted? If you wish, I can share you up here because they are live. The project people have not only have done that, they have actually deployed these projects. So in case you want to check them out, I can show you all of you what they have done. Just write in the comment section, show projects. And if enough people request, I'll do that. Otherwise, keep on asking questions and I'll probably ask that. Okay. A lot of people want to know this. Let me show you that. Then in that case, yeah. I can show you. Just give me a second and probably we can show you that. And primary display. Yep. I'm actually, this is good. There we go. Interesting. Nice and easy. And just a second, let me show you all the projects that people have done. So this is what we have. And the projects are available actually at FindCoder. If you go into the challenges, there are other challenges going on as well. You can participate in that. The first prize of this one is 20,000. You should be trying that. There is no joining fees, nothing, 0 rupees. You can just give it a try. Let me show you. These are now open for voting. So let me show you the top projects. Although you can see all the participants list up here, that what they have built. and what they have showed. Really great amount of work being done. But let me show you the one that we actually liked a lot. Not me, just the team actually gone through with that. So let me show you that. The first one which is running at the top in the voting is from Rishabh Thakur. Let me show you onto the view project. And there we go. So this is what he has built. A nice YouTube video. There are even thumbnails which are pretty good. Some of them are loading up. We need to compress them a little bit, but yeah. And you can go ahead and check out the deployed link, what he has built in this. So this is what they have built. I can shrink this a little bit, tiny bit. Notice this. This is pure HTML, CSS. And this has been done by the students in just class, I guess 4 classes, 4 weekends, I guess. And yes, we haven't yet touched JavaScript. And this is what he has built. I like the buttons actually. The hover state, nicely. Feedback. What feedback I can give to you? The first feedback is that, yeah, this is nice. You can definitely have a look on the spellings a little bit. And the hover on these top buttons could be a little bit nice. That I can do. This is nice, but you could have started with this block without hovering a little bit on the right side so that it can expand from there. So yeah, that would be good. This is already nice, a good section there. Popularity of the courses, I like this one. I like this small subtle animation as well, really nice, really nice. This one could be a little bit improved. These cards, not a big fan of these cards. A lot of white spaces there. The title could be a little bit shrinked, but I overall like the recorded, a lot of work has been done on this one. Let's try a different one. So Jitesh is running second. So based on the voting, we only select the top 10 and all of them, then they take over the project after that. Nice videos and all of that. Deployed link, you can check it out. And notice this. This is subtle. This is what I liked most about it. Nice. But this is a call to action. This could be a little bit more. Nice data science. You have redesigned the entire menu bar, navigation bar. Nice. A lot of work. I like this. I like this. Nice shadows there. Nice shadows. Little bit hard, but yeah. So these are the project. The people have participated in that. The card could use a little bit of the hover animation. And this is what he has built. Nice. So all these are work from people, and go ahead, like them up a little bit, show some comments in case you have some feedback for them. Let's try and see. Akash, nice. Let's see the deployed link. Nice. Nice start there. Nice. Too much emphasis. I would say just getting started, but it doesn't look like a professional website as of now. But I think fair work. Nice. I think a little bit more zoomed out version. You have used too big of a font. That's the only feedback I can give you. This is nice. I can see a lot of people are asking questions and stuff, but in case you are looking forward for them, just go ahead and try this out. And let's check out something from the participant side as well. So somebody who has done more of this. Okay, let's see. Randomly, we'll be selecting. Let's try this one. What deployed link? Okay, I need a lot of work on this one. This is not going end to end. Not subtle. Need more work. Definitely need more work. And but I think it's a good start. You have just this one is nice. Nice colors. This is too sharp of an animation, but yeah, I'll give that. And this could use a little bit of a corner rounded. I think that would look tiny bit better. And yep, nice. Looks good. So this is all the work that people have done in the JavaScript Bootcamp, and we haven't yet touched the JavaScript yet. This was all HTML and CSS, a little bit of the flexbox, That's it. That's all. No, the photo is not there, so I will not test this or will not check it, obviously. This photo, don't trust it. This photo, yes, I'll trust this. Real photos give me a little bit more trust. Nice. Nice color theme. I remember this one. Nice. Again, too zoomed in, could have shrunk a little bit more. This text is too weird. The padding should be there a tiny bit. This is how you learn it. You start with being a very basic beginner, and then you start, somebody from AWS, need to check this. Pretty cool, like this, slant. You're addressing a problem. So we have a lot of courses, and this actually solves one of our problem that if this is a live course, community course, so nice. Achiever works. This line is very interesting. Could have been beautified a little bit more. This is good. This is all what people have been able to do just after this. So yeah, pretty good. Let me move this away, come back up here. So this is the work that people have done just by learning HTML and CSS. Yes, I have pushed them a lot, and you haven't seen, if you just look at their profile, you'll see the 15 projects that they have done. Pretty good. There were some super chats, so let me go ahead and bring these chats up. A couple of super chats were there. So Karthik says, GE sir, good evening. Good evening to you as well. I have recently completed engineering. Should I go for job experience or master's course? Really confused. It's usually a very personal decision. Again, you want an experience of building the stuff, then obviously job is the must thing. And if you want to explore theoretical a bit more, and it also depends on from where you're doing your master's. A lot of people are not fan of masters and stuff, but I still think if you do it from a good college who's pushing you more, you learn a lot there. So that's my take. So yep. So let me, a lot of people show project. Yeah, nice. Okay, so yes, there are a lot of good projects up there, and I tried to show a few of them. You can just go ahead and take a look at FindCoder. Maybe you can go ahead and use that. Hi Tesh, I see first project in YouTube. I think source code is copied, just for information. Yep, that might be copied, but a lot of source code actually from the websites is copied from other templates and stuff. But if you are able to bring that template into the form where it looks like a complete different website, that's what a lot of people do. A lot of people do. Maybe he has licensed it. Maybe he has used a free template. Maybe he even entirely copied it. But end of the day, a lot of projects are delivered in that way, that you just bring something and make it something else. That's how you do it. Okay. I purchased your DSA FANG course. Will it really help for getting into these companies? Of course it will be. Otherwise, why would you be launching any course? Like, I have really no answer for this kind of question. Like, I have purchased a course. Will it help me to teach? Of course. Otherwise, will it help me to learn? If it wouldn't be, then why would be launching a course? If I launch a course on JavaScript, if it doesn't teach us JavaScript, why would I launch it? It doesn't make even a course. Okay, from JS Basic in first year college, production grade code in my first year of job, I have contributed a lot. Thanks a lot, Hitesh. You have contributed a lot. Thanks a lot, Hitesh. Hey, thank you, Weber. Thank you so much. Now I'm looking for to contribute a bit more, and that's what I will be doing. Bored from work from home, what to do? Hit the gym, come back, work more. Really missed your live. I was actually in a phase, I was in a very fast moving phase. Now I have settled a little bit more. I was transitioning from Jaipur to Bengaluru, adopting a lot of new big roles, CXO roles, launching a few startups and organizing hackathons, fulfilling a lot of my dream projects. Like Campus Ambassador was one of my dream projects. I wanted to just move education into a real world paradigm in a lot of colleges. That's what I want to do. So yes, a lot of things. Now I have settled a little bit more. I have much more time now so that I can chit chat with you. I have much more things. So yeah. Kumar says, Guruji, big fan of you. Thank you so much. The only reason I joined your JavaScript bootcamp now, I'm having a good confidence of HTML and CSS. All I can say, thank you very much. Hope to meet you at Bangalore office someday. Sure, just show up and just show up. I would be really happy to catch up. And surely, we obviously have a chit chat on regular basis on weekends. That's what we do. And HTML CSS is only the start. In the next weekend, we will be going into Tailwind CSS. You'll be getting much more confidence over Tailwind, and you'll be building so much more in Tailwind. And then officially we'll start JavaScript. We haven't yet written Hello World in JavaScript. The projects in JavaScript are going to push you on to the very next level. So Ganesh says, hey, you're back. Yep, I am back. How's the weather in Bangalore? Nothing. Nothing matches the weather of Bangalore, like nothing. I need to settle down here. There's so good of a weather here. Where can I get remote international internship? Too much. I have, these days what I'm seeing is there is even less requirement in the JD, the job description, and people have much more requirement list that I'm going to only work remote. I want to work in international company only. This much should be the pay. This much only do. And I only know HTML, CSS. Nothing more than that. Oh, man. Oh, man. Life is... people are too much. Okay. Love from Rajasthan. Keep growing and build good courses. Thank you so much, Manish. Thank you so much. I'll keep on doing that. How do you manage your time? I have shared it in one of the talk recently. Hope that Tedx talk will come out soon, or is it out soon? Let me check. Let me check if that Tedx talk is out. It was Tedx CIT Bengaluru. Yep, that was it. It's already in the search field. A lot of people are searching it. Nope. Tedx CIT is... yep, that is it, CIT Bangalore. It's not yet out. It will be soon, so as soon as it comes out, I'll surely discuss that. Sir, I want to talk to you. You did. You missed the opportunity. Instead of talking to you, you could have written the entire thing and we could have answered it. You missed the opportunity. Okay. What is the best way to secure your API in Node? I don't think so. Security is a myth, my friend. Security is a myth. And yes, we can only try to make it secure. And obviously, sanitization is one of the most important things. When you take input from the user, make sure you are absolutely cautious about that. People can inject sometimes database queries and accesses, cross-site scripting, remote redirection. Learn a little bit about security. That is surely going to be helpful. My brother Saksham teaches a course on cybersecurity. From time to time, he comes back with the courses. I think for every developer, taking these security courses is really important. I don't emphasize that openly because people sometimes think that, hey, you are selling courses and just courses. Yes, we do sell courses. We are at tech. I don't shy away from that part. But yes, I think every developer should at least take this course, even not to do practical, just listen to the theory and you'll be writing so much of the better code. Yep, that is what. Hitesh, when the TEDx talk will be live? I don't know. I need to ping them up. And then. Sir, please bring full stack development job-oriented bootcamp. I'm already running that bootcamp. Jump into that. Put in extra effort. Cover up the classes and join that if you want. Is Tailwind CSS actually useful without a framework like React? Yes, it is. Big fan of a Tailwind. We recently started to use it full-fledged. I have touched it a little bit, touched and go. But the moment you start using it into a full-fledged project and work on it for a month or two, you become a big fan of Tailwind. It's so good. It's so good. Tailwind CSS nails down everything. Is DevOps job guarantee coming up? Any plan? Not talking about just the job guarantee for DevOps or Flutter or React. We first actually tie up with different companies. If those companies provide us and show us the roadmap of their projects that, hey, we are putting up this, we'll be getting enough of the jobs or being open up for DevOps or for Flutter or for React Native or for React. Once we get that, then only we open up the job guarantee programs. Otherwise, we don't. Because it's a big thing. It's a big promise. Right now we have flooded of enough of jobs in React, in JavaScript, and front end and back end. That's why I have opened up the bootcamp of full stack JavaScript. Otherwise, there's no point of opening it up. Why not blockchain? Good question. Good question. Why not? Why not Solidity? Why not Web3? All good questions. EMI facility for JavaScript Bootcamp. Yep, it is there through the Walnut Pay. Walnut, in case you don't know, it's a separate company which has a tie-up with Razorpay. Razorpay is our payment gateway partner. A long way, but yeah. So through that, you can actually go ahead and get it. 15,000 EMI on that. I would have say that go ahead and ask your bank for a loan or something, but I don't think they will be able to give that for 15,000. So for something like 15, 17,000, whatever that is, don't quote me on the number, 15,000, 17,000, 40,000, whatever that is. For such numbers, getting EMI is difficult. So we don't have direct option, but you can use Walnut Pay or something for that. You can try that. Otherwise, don't hurry up in getting into the course. Make sure you have enough of money. See, if you don't have 15,000, 17,000 to join a course and you're joining it on EMI or borrowing a friend from a money, don't do that. Don't do that. First, make sure your money game is stronger. Work on McDonald's or something else, and or in the meantime, learn from the free resources or something. But I would never recommend you to take loan or something for 15,000 rupees. That means you are not in a financially good situation to join any course. Just spend your time on YouTube, but do some freelancing work or project, do some internship, and then join the course. That would be better. And this is all in your benefit, nothing on mine. I'll get one more course enrollment, that's it. But to be honest, that's not a good thing for you. I wouldn't recommend this to you. Okay, sir, I joined the current JavaScript Bootcamp 4 weeks late. No problem. Is there any issue if I submit the project a little late? It's okay, it's fine. I'll still give you. You have already got this last entire week and this entire week totally kind of off. Not entirely, I agree. But I have not pushed you that much in these 2 weeks. So I think you can cover this up and then start submitting. We'll be hosting more hackathons just for you guys, internal JavaScript Bootcamp only. So you try that out. Hey Muthu, hi, it's been a while. It's been a while. How are you? How are you doing? I know I have seen you in every single video, every single live stream. I haven't done much live stream these days, but I'm back. I'm back. So how are you doing? I hope things are doing good. Can a fresher get a job in DevOps field? Yes, of course, but you wouldn't be getting much of a sensitive job because you'll be getting junior DevOps engineer. Yeah, you can get it. Like, I'm not saying strict no, but for the high-end companies, it's a little bit difficult to get as a fresher. You can get in the startups, in India-based companies, and the roles and responsibilities you'll be getting will be like really basic of maintenance and stuff. And eventually you can grow. So yes, the answer is yes, you can get absolutely no problem in the DevOps. If you learn tiny bit of Python and scripting, that surely will help you. I think a little bit touch of programming will help you to crack the positions easier. How much DevOps skills are required for backend dev position? I think spinning up a good server and putting up a CI/CD pipeline, that is minimum. Even you do it with GitHub Actions or Jenkins, wherever you do that, that is, I guess, more than enough. More than enough. Next.js versus React.js in your view. React.js. You can use Next.js. It has its own advantage. But there are certain things in Next.js which actually tightly couple you up with Vercel. Vercel is doing a lot of tricky game with Next.js. They know their popularity is shining and everybody is mindlessly using Next.js. So if you'll notice closely, if you build a Next.js app, it runs and builds very fast on Vercel, but on other providers like Netlify or AWS, it doesn't do that much of a fast build. Even there are a lot of other issues in that. So stay cautious, stay cautious. I'm not saying that Vercel is bad. They're fine company. They're super company. Absolutely great, actually. But be cautious that you really want to be tightly coupled with them because their image optimization build can speed up a little bit. Surely it will speed up your website, but it's the price you have to pay. Okay. Can you add Salesforce developers, Apex, SQL, etc. tags in Find Coder Skills tab? Oh, sure. Just a second, I can actually ping the developers right from here. Just wait a second. And here it is. Let me open up my Slack and stuff so that I can add Salesforce developers, Apex, and SQL. Just a second, it's loading so that I can add them and tell the developers directly that Karthik is having a feedback and we can have it. So if I'll do it right now, that will be done. Otherwise, it might left. So Salesforce developer and Apex and tags needs to be added. Okay, done. Karthik, done. Thank you so much for the suggestion. Just did it. Team will add it as a issue and they will surely do it. Interesting. Some seniors are saying that recession will hit and there will be less job. What's your thought? I'm a fresher in IT preparing for switching. Surely recession are going to be there, and during these times you should be happy, because during these times raw talent, people who actually can build stuff, they always remain in the company. I do agree recession is coming, it's already here, but this doesn't mean that YouTube will shut down or Swiggy will shut down or Zomato will shut down or every company on India will shut down. This is not going to happen, and somebody needs to run to all of these companies, and a lot of them are developers, so developers are not going anywhere. If the recession comes, maybe your salaries might dip a little bit, tiny bit, but nothing more than that. If you are skillful developers, you know a lot, you handle a lot in front end and back end, even touch mobile a little bit, you are a full-fledged one-man army kind of a person, nobody can throw you out. Nobody can even dare to throw you out. You are a raw asset value. And if somebody throwing you out in the company, it's their loss. Other people will be running to hire you. Ganesh says, practice on aptitude and problem solving. Hey, you can do that. Take a test at Learn Code Online now every day at 7:30 p.m. We take a test. It's absolutely free, and we give away one t-shirt. Every day one t-shirt is being given away, and you can try that, and it will improve your aptitude. The only way to learn aptitude is practice a little bit and give more exams, and we are helping you with that. Good evening. How to become a pro-level JavaScript developer? What strategy should we follow? Just one. Build more stuff. That's it. That's how you learn it. Okay. A lot of good stuff. Ajit, thank you so much for the super chat. I truly appreciate that. Truly appreciate that. I think we should start a little bit of a Patreon here. I think we should do that. Or we should start a channel membership where I can actually take some of your questions personally, so that we should do. So what we should do, a Patreon or a channel membership for a weekly live stream. But some days I will be missing, some weeks I'll be missing, I know. So what should I do? Channel membership for a personal live stream that we can do, or something like that, or a Patreon in case you want to support all the things that I do. What should I do? Okay, let me know in the comment section. Patreon or okay, gray man is back. I enjoy wearing gray. Hitesh, what are some disadvantages of AppWrite which we should consider before using it? I don't think there are too much of the disadvantages of using it. So far, haven't found nothing much. Surely, I'm not saying there are not any, but there should be. By the way, there is one more interesting news. I haven't actually made an announcement of this one. People are saying Patreon, channel membership, Patreon. Can we do a poll here? We can do a poll. Create a poll. Where would you like to show your support? Patreon. Let me check. Yeah, I'm trying to poll. Yes, I'm trying to poll. Okay. Patreon or channel. Channel membership. Let me add up a poll. Yep, added a poll. Let's see, how does it go? Channel membership, 62%, that's good. Channel membership is 62%. Can we have Nota in your poll? Just kidding. None of the above. Yes, I think we can try that out. So you guys want me to open the channel membership? There wouldn't be too much to offer because already what I do and what I offer, I like to put it all in open, so there is nothing much. I wouldn't be giving any videos behind the paywall. If I want to put a paywall, I do that in Learn Code Online or iNeuron. So I think we can do that. But I can definitely do one live stream in once or twice a week. Like once in a week, and in a month I can do 2 live streams. Yep, I think that's possible. And I can do that just only for members. I can do that. Members only, and we can have a little bit more of a talk. Create your own application. I already did that. And would you like to support you by working with you? Surely, if you would like to work with me, I'm all open for that. Okay, I think channel membership, yep. Okay, interesting one. Code in Depth asks, any tip for student attending offline college for upskilling with other activities? Take part in the hackathon. We're now taking the hackathon online as well using FindCoder. So build more projects, take part in hackathon. The more projects you are going to have in your portfolio, the better it's going to be for you. So go ahead and take part in that, solve that. We are bringing even a lot of companies who will be hiring directly from the FindCoder. They're already shooting you messages for hiring. But again, go ahead and build more stuff. Take part in the hackathon. That will be really, really good. Okay. Why are you doing this to me? But okay. Please tell something about Mr. Pranjal, like who he was, what was his qualification, and what are his achievement and his personality. To be honest, I don't really care about his qualification or his achievement. He was a really good friend, a colleague, a friend, more than a friend to me and to everyone. He was director of sales at iNeuron, and he was having this personality to get in touch with everybody so quickly, so nicely, smiling face. And he's no more with us. Just in few hours, he was gone. So yeah. What can I say? Things are there in life. People fight over small things, and one day you are here, one day you are gone. He's no longer with us. So that's why I was not feeling really that good to record videos or to go live for Saturday Hack Marathon or something like that. So yeah, it feels bad really. But it's life, we have to move on, and but still I think I'll take a couple of more days, and all those people who are associated with us in the courses and stuff, we have already shot an email to him that he's no longer with us, and he's gone from this beautiful earth. He's in a better place. Anyways. Let's start. Okay, any advice for remote work aspirants? Stick to the schedule. That working from home, working from remote is, the productivity goes down. There is no doubt about that. The productivity is very low compared to if you work in a good office environment, your productivity is around 80% or something. When you work from home, the tasks get delays, the communication, that is the real thing, real deal. Communication is super bad. What you are trying to say and what he understands, it's really, really difficult. Collaborate with Kunal Koshava. Surely, I'm open to collaborate with him. Surely, I can reach him out, or he can reach me out, or ping me on. I can take him live on the YouTube channel. No problem at all. Open for collaboration with anybody. I don't mind it. It's all good thing. Collaborate, chit chat. Maybe we'll align on our thoughts. Maybe we'll not. That's the part of the thing. It's okay. Okay. Hey Tesh, what do you think about DevOps? Not just thinking, I'm actually quite into DevOps these days. I'm doing a lot. And hopefully I'll start pushing a lot of content regarding the DevOps on this channel as well very, very soon. Actually, a lot of my orientation is shifting towards DevOps these days because we're pushing a lot of things in production and I'm enjoying doing that. And recently I did work extensively on AWS as well, and it's good. It's good. There's an interesting one. This one is from Ajit Mishra. Should I enhance my AWS skill or should I learn blockchain? Feeling FOMO of blockchain. To give you a less FOMO, I still don't know much about blockchain. I still just ask with Naveen and sit back with him that, hey, what is this blockchain? How you do this? How you do that? I do a lot of my consultation of this blockchain with Naveen still. I don't still know it and I'm not planning to go much into it. If I would be there at your position, I would be easily choosing AWS skill. Personal opinion, but that's what I would be choosing. Raman says, meet Sandeep Maheshwari. It's not in my hand, it's in his hand. He's big of a personality. I'm not. I'm just an ordinary guy on YouTube. Hardly anybody watches me. Sandeep Maheshwari viewership is way bigger. So it's not up to me that I obviously want to meet him and do a video with him. That would be really good for me. But I don't know if he's comfortable. I've already shot him an email. You can just tweet him a lot and ping him on Instagram to bring me on it. But it's up to him. I would love to be there, but I don't think I'll be getting a chance. They are way bigger of YouTube that might have shot him an email. My email might be buried out somewhere. So probably, when will he see him? Ask Harry to come up with you in the live session. Already asked him twice. We had a small chit chat on Instagram and since then he hasn't replied. I think he's busy somewhere. So he's not coming anywhere. I'm interested in creating a YouTube channel for React, but don't know where to start. Any suggestion? My only suggestion would be, today React is here, tomorrow React will not be there. Like jQuery was there, Backbone.js was there. So starting a channel and so much trust on the Facebook that Facebook will keep React always alive for the next 5 years or 10 years. Big bet, my friend. That's a really big bet. Noob programmer. That's first of all, you need to just put up a name. Why are you so much afraid in putting up your name? If you're not much confident about your name, just change it to new programmer maybe. But your question is okay. Hello sir, after college, if I don't have skills, do I need institute class coaching or should I join offline coaching or online self-taught? Too many options there, man. Too many options. First, you reduce down your option on your own and then probably we can come back and discuss. Please make some more JavaScript projects at advanced level. There is no such thing as advanced level. Everything is just moderate. And again, we have already built some of the advanced level projects, but we take help from some libraries and frameworks. And these libraries, frameworks are known as React and Angular and Vue and Node.js and API development. That is what advanced level is. There is nothing such as advanced level. Link preview challenge participants would get something. Yes, they will get. Man, why are you doing this? Let me show you that, what you are doing. Let me show you what you are doing. You asked this question and let me show you what you are doing, man. Let me show you, let me bring it onto the screen and let's get into this mode. Let me answer this question. When you ask such questions, I really think that you guys don't even do a small click. This is a link previewer channel. I think you can go ahead and see this. Maybe you didn't saw it up here. You can click it up here. You can see it up here. Oh my goodness, there's something written here. So why do you ask questions whose answer you can easily go ahead and find it on the place? So link previewer people are getting money. So how do you feel now, Monu, in getting a question whose answer you can actually get just by clicking? What is a link preview challenge? Link preview challenge is running on FindCoder. We run a lot of hackathon there. And you can just participate and win prize money there. Much better than playing these skill-based game. Sorry if any no skill-based game was hurt during this mention. Definitely. Enjoying office work on Saturday evening with your live. Thank you so much, Gaikwad. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is all chilling out. What will be the duration of upcoming DSA FANG course? See, to be honest, even for the full stack JavaScript developer course, I have told that it's going to be a 6 to 7 month of a bootcamp, but it might extend to 1 to 2 months. I don't mind it extending it. Also, I have said that the 5 to 6 month or 4 to 5 month will be there for DSA FANG course. But if we think we need to do more course questions, or if we think that we need to have a little bit more exercise on, let's just say graph or something, we might extend this a little bit. Okay. I made a Figma clone. That's interesting. You should post it on FindCoder. We would love to see that. Okay. When will we get the JS Bootcamp community access, and what will be included in that? Nothing will be included in that. That's just a community access where you can actually talk to each other. There will be some of our placement officers. If any new placement comes up or any new offer comes up, 5 vacancies, 10 vacancies, he'll be posting up there so that you can actually go ahead and apply for it. There is nothing like a, have you seen Kung Fu Panda? There is no a secret scroll or a magic ingredient there. Nothing like that. There is an interesting chat. There's something interesting. Let me go ahead and pull this up. Raj Shahanjai, Raj says, I am God. Good for you. Good for you. Is it hard to create search engine? No, it is not. Creating browser or anything like that, it's not hard at all. Even a lot of people are afraid to compete in the game of Chrome and Firefox and Safari. They think these are led by the big people only. But let me show you. I recently got an access to something like this. So let me show you this. Okay. Want to see this? Let me close my emails and stuff first. Otherwise, it wouldn't be good. Where can I get? Okay, so just a second, I'll show you something interesting. So Command T, I'll open up. Okay, so let me share the screen actually. So this is a new browser. This is a new browser which I'm testing these days. Notice here, no tabs at the top. The only tab is at the side. So notice here, this is where the tabs actually come in. And whenever you say Command T, it actually opens up a new kind of interface, and you can go ahead and find something. Like for example, I can go ahead and say Instagram.com, and this is my Instagram ID. In case you're not following, go ahead, follow me up. This is Instagram, and I can hit a Command T, and I can go ahead and say maybe learn code online. So you can go ahead and open this up. This is Chromium based, so that means all of your extensions by default works out. So this is a new browser that has come up. The name is Arc, A-R-C. This is pretty good. I'm testing it out. Probably I'll make a video. This is the Arc. I'll learn Arc in 2 seconds. So pretty good. You can bookmark the stuff and all of this. So I'm testing out this browser these days. Hopefully we'll make a video soon on this one. Pretty interesting. The name of the browser is Arc, A-R-C. They are not yet open, and it's pretty good. Pretty good. I like it so far. Cool. Which browser is this? It's an Arc. The advantage of being a YouTuber, I got an early access of this. It's not yet released up here. I'm a god. God is great. Upendra. Kannada director dialogue. From a movie must watch. I need to learn Kannada first. Only after that I can actually speak it. How is Apple M2 Air? Waiting for your review. It's good. It's good. The screen is none of the. I have never seen a screen that sharp and that good. Even though the MacBook Pro screen was good, but M2, they have taken it on the next level. The chip is pretty damn good. Okay, so is it for Windows? It will be coming out for Windows soon. Right now, they are not offering it for Windows. It's only available for Mac. They are working on the Windows version. And by the way, just a quick kind of a leak out for you. I am collaborating with Sebastian. Anybody knows who is Sebastian? He is pretty good, pretty famous guy. Let me know in the comments. Do you know Sebastian? And another question. Do you know the founder of Fast API? I'm waiting in the comment section. Do you know the founder of Fast API, Sebastian? Anybody's? Let me know in the comment section how many of you know him. I'm bringing him on the channel so that you can ask some questions with him. Any good questions we would love to know about? Yes, the creator of Fast API, Sebastian. Already set up a meeting with him on Tuesday. And we are bringing him on the channel so that you can ask him. Sebastian, he's the founder of Fast API. You should really do a little bit dig up about him. Sebastian, yes. You should do, yes, Sebastian Ramirez. He is the guy. A lot of people are mentioning his name in the comment section. He is a fantastic dude, fantastic with nice mustache. You should actually get to this. And you should really have a little bit detail and know about him. And we are bringing him on the channel so that you can ask any questions. I'll obviously will be asking some of the questions to him regarding his work, how he created the Fast API and what's the journey of it, what he's doing in life, what's next is coming up and all of that. So you can go ahead and research about him. Great creator, great contribution to the community, and we will be bringing him up. I think the meeting is set for Tuesday. I haven't checked my calendar. So Tuesday, if I'm not wrong, 8 o'clock is the time. So don't miss it out. It will be live streamed up here on this YouTube channel. We'll be bringing him up, and this is the time. This is the time you can have a great connection with him, ask your questions and everything. I have messaged you about this and you told me to ask them. I have messaged to Naveen sir about this, but didn't get any response. Sorry for asking again. See, if Naveen is not responding or not active on social media, I cannot do anything. Maybe you can try again. He's a busy guy. Okay, so again, I would really, really honestly appreciate if you guys go ahead and research about the founder of Fast API and get me some good questions. I would put up a poll or ask me anything on the Instagram as well. And we'll take some questions from there as well. I'll put up some of the questions from Twitter as well this time. And we'll be having some of these questions answered directly by him. So let's see. Okay. We have been live by 58 minutes. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, any other interesting question that you have? Shoot them up. And any suggestion where to buy Apple M2 online or Apple Store? Where did you get best deals? Any tips? I have no other options. I have to go to stores and vendors and I have to take it from there because you don't get the GST input from the online, and we as a corporate like to get 18% back. Fast API is really fantastic. It's the only Python framework I like. Interesting, interesting. Why is it called Fang course? If you don't know what is Fang and Mang, you should probably not take any course which says Fang and Mang unless you are aware of them. Interesting question. How to find my interest after doing DSA, where to go, Dev or DevOps? DSA is not something that you take that is going to generate your interest. It probably might kill your interest. That is a true fact. You find your interest based on building the projects you like, where you like more, building mobile apps, web apps, backend, maybe front end, maybe Python. That's where you do. That's where you build the stuff. Do you know Clement? Not personally, but I have been bombarded with his ads on my channel, and especially are you a software engineer? That kind of ads has been bombarded a lot on my channel. Probably we need to bring him on the channel. That would be a fantastic conversation. We'll do that. We'll do that. Okay. Jay that says, I joined JavaScript Bootcamp today. Congratulations and welcome on board. Should I watch all previous live class streams or should I skip to recorded videos? No, you should watch the live stream as well. Probably watch them in 2x or skip them a tiny bit, a little bit. But all the assignments and challenges are actually in the live class. You can actually, the guidelines are actually you watch the live class where I give you assignment that this much of the videos you have to watch and this is what you have to build by the next class. And this is how we go. So skipping them is not a good idea. Why you didn't post on Twitter? I'm trying to be active on Twitter now. Still haven't figured it out. Still haven't figured it out. Thank you, Tesh. Anna, your courses are lit, helping me greatly in web development. Thank you so much. Waiting for collab with Kunal Kushwa. Surely we'll do that. I'll ping him. No worries, I'll ping him. From my side, will ping him on first. Hopefully he'll reply. I don't mind pinging anybody up front. Do you know Kingston Technology? No, not yet. Kingston Technology. I can search it right now. Kingston Technology. Kingston is giving me that pen drive, Kingston, that company, nothing else. I thought it's a YouTube channel. My bad. Okay. When the next HC talk will come, I have actually didn't got much time to actually post it. Already 4 episodes are already recorded. One is with the Hari Shankaran, who is the founder of HackerRank. We have got that episode also. We have also an episode from the founder and the CTO of TechSmith as well. That's a fantastic episode. And a couple of other people. I also have an episode from Shishir, who is an ex-Apple, ex-Adobe. Great discussion with him as well. So surely we'll post them soon. Is your DSA with Python is crash course or is DSA with Python? No, it's not a crash course, my friend. Crash course is kind of a tiny course, 3 videos, 4 videos. That's what I call crash courses. If Kunal Kushwa comes, so next week I'll join the JS Bootcamp. You're welcome. Okay, I think that's all. And thank you so much. I'm feeling a bit light now. Talking to all of you and good, feeling good now. Tiny bit good. Okay, so I guess that's it. We'll try to do another Saturday live and we'll open up the channel membership as well. Or we'll open up a Patreon or something. So channel membership would be good. We can open up that and we can have a live stream only for the channel members on twice a month. Maybe Saturdays we'll pick up and that would be good. So yes, expect, because actually the more we have as support, that more people we can deploy in answering questions in coder community. All of the money can also go into hosting more hackathons. In case any one of you is looking forward to host any hackathon, reach me out or ping me up on my Instagram or Twitter or anywhere. We would love to get back to you and host a hackathon. And we can do a hackathon from your name. Maybe you want to support some community, give them something back. 100% of it will go to whoever is the winner of the hackathon. And check out some project on Finecoder as well. And that's it. That's it for this live. Thank you so much for being here. I was feeling a bit low today and you guys boosted me up a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all of you. Bye-bye. Have a great day. In case you are looking forward, hit that subscribe. In case you want to, great. In case you don't want to hit that subscribe, that's fine too. No worries. Take care. Bye-bye. And I'll surely catch you up in the next live, surely. Thanks, Satish. Take care. Thank you. And bye-bye.